Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Andre, and we have these beautiful red peppers in front of us, and we're going to do something a little different today with them. We are going to turn these into a smoked paprika powder. Everybody seems to love it, and let's make our own. You know, it's one of those things where you think of what you can do with your smoker, and this is one of these things I've been playing with a bit. And it works great, and I just want to actually show you in a video how to do it yourself. Takes a little bit of time, but you know what, you end up with an awesome product. And let's just dive in. Really, all I'm going to do is cut these guys in half, take out the core and the seeds. We don't want those. Take out any other parts which don't look appetizing. And all we're going to do is rinse them off. That's all we're doing. I cut them in half, took all the seeds out. In there, I'm going to do the rest. Here we go. There's all of them. We did 7, but this'll get us quite a bit. I've got the smoker going. I'm going to keep it going between 200 and 225. I don't want it too hot. I found that 2 hours is a really good amount of smoke on these. Let's get out there and put them in. And yes, it is still winter, but as you can see, there's a lot of snow gone, which is good. So here we go. We're going to put it close to the top. I'm going to put them cut side down, just to expose as much to the smoke as possible and get as much moisture out of these as possible. There we go. They look fantastic, and away they go. We're back inside. They look fantastic. I'm just going to show you there. They still have a long ways to go. I checked at 2 hours. I just didn't feel they had enough smoke on them, so I left them for 2.5 hours. Now they're good. And now onto the next step. This is the dehydrator. This is the part that's going to take the longest. We're just going to basically get them in there, get it going, and I'm honestly going to just let it go overnight because we need these things bone dry, because we don't want to make a paste. We want to make a powder, and there can't be any moisture left. So we're going to just put them in here. Not touching, because we want that air to go all the way around them. Got the one there, we got the one there. Put the lid on. I'm just going to put like lots of hours on here. Temperature, I'm going to have it at 135 Fahrenheit. Hit start. And we're just going to let that go. And when they're done, we'll be back. Welcome back, everybody. It's the next day. These are done. It's a moment of truth. Hear that? That's what you want, that crunch. These are bone dry. Focus, focus. Look at that. They're bone dry. Yeah. Perfect. This is exactly the way we want it, because we, like I said earlier, we want to make a powder, not a paste. And yes, it took a long time. Each dehydrator is different, so depending on yours, it might take a little bit longer, shorter. But anyways, let's get to grinding them. Got my trusty little spice grinder here, and all we're gonna do is break it up. Gonna have to do this in batches because this thing is only so big. That's okay. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully I get enough light on that. There we go. That's powder. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that smell is awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna finish it all. I've got a little jar here that I'm gonna use and put it in, and then I'm gonna taste it. Carefully. Get that all in here. Okay, there we go. So, if you remember, we started with 7 peppers, and that's how much we ended up with, which is decent. That's a good amount. I should have waited, but volume-wise, that's a decent amount. That's going to keep me going for a while. Now I'm gonna. Oh yeah, that's a smoked paprika. That's awesome. I am super happy how that turned out. Look at that beautiful goodness. I'm just gonna do this because it was different. I'll just shake it all, make it all the same. Beautiful color. Look at that. I don't know which camera is better, but there you go. Look at that beautiful color. It's all powder. See how it's shaky shake? That's beautiful. I'm gonna give some to a couple people. I want their opinions, but for me, this is a great thing to do yourself. Do it at home, have fun with it, and you know exactly what's in it. Well, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Hope you like this one. I have more ideas coming up, and like always, happy eating.